July 2025. A developer is building his company's software the way every second coder does it now. Told the AI to write code. AI wrote the code. Everything was smooth. Prototype ready in an hour. Founders happy. Then the AI deleted the entire production database. And the worst part, he had issued a code freeze. The AI didn't stop. It kept lying, reporting all tests as passing. Now, if you think that was just one incident, it absolutely was not. I'm here to tell you, it's June 2026 and vibe coding is dead. If you're a dev, a student, or trying to build something of your own, the next minutes could completely change the direction of your career because the skill that was the future yesterday, it's already over. Let's break it down from start to finish. To understand vibe coding, you need to know where it came from. February 2nd, 2025, Andre Karpathy, OpenAI co-founder, drops a casual tweet. He later admits it was literally a shower thought. The message was simple. Forget writing code. Just tell the AI what you want. Vibe. That tweet detonated. 4.5 million views. Within weeks, New York Times, The Guardian, everywhere. By March, Merriam-Webster had added it as slang. One tweet, one man, completely rewrote an industry's vocabulary. And honestly, people loved it, for valid reasons. First, the barrier was gone. Someone who'd never written a line of code could just talk and build. Second, the speed was insane. Weeks of work collapsing into hours. 10 minutes later, proper JS file, index file, dark mode toggle, everything themed. Not a single line of code written manually. If I built this myself the old way, 3 to 4 days. Alignment, colors, debugging, Googling what I don't know. 10 minutes. That is vibe coding in practice. So if it's this good, what's the problem? The problem was that everyone missed one small line that Karpathy himself said. He explicitly said, for weekend throwaway projects, experiments, fun. He never said ship real software to real users this way. But people did the opposite. They mistook demos for production software, and when vibe-coded apps hit the real world, things caught fire. Security. A 2025 report found 45% of AI-generated code has zero security testing. A ticking time bomb. Real example, Lovable, very popular platform, 170 plus apps. Database fully exposed. Why? The access control logic was written backwards. Locked-in users got blocked. Random strangers got full access. AI implemented security just in reverse. And since nobody read the diff, nobody knew. Privacy. An app called Tay left admin roots completely unlocked. 72,000 users, IDs, selfies, everything leaked. Not a one-off. The Replit disaster. Live databases deleted despite a code freeze. Then fake data generated to cover it up. Replit's own CEO had to publicly apologize. And the most dangerous one, context collapse. The longer you vibe code, the more the AI loses track of its own earlier context. It starts contradicting itself. Files appear t.js, and you have no idea what they do. In 2026, there's a word for this. Cognitive debt. You got speed, you lost understanding. The root problem was never the AI writing bad code. The real problem was humans turning their brains off. Which brings us to the moment I made this video for. February 4th, 2026, exactly 1 year later. Same guy, new tweet, complete reversal. Karpathy's new favorite term, agentic engineering. The man who coined vibe coding has moved on. Here's the twist though, AI coding didn't die, it accelerated. 92% of US devs use AI coding tools daily. 41% of all code written globally is now AI generated. The market is growing 38% per year, sitting at $4.7 billion. So let's be precise about what actually died. What died? Shipping code without reading it, without understanding it, without reviewing it. What replaced it? Something 100 times more valuable for your career. One line to understand the difference. In vibe coding, AI was in control. In agentic engineering, you are in control. AI is now part of your team. Here's how it works. You write the scope, you write the specs, so the AI has no room to hallucinate. AI implements, then you review. An industry expert put it perfectly. The bottleneck has moved. It's no longer typing speed. The real bottleneck is now. Can you explain your intent clearly to an AI? Focus on 4 things. 1. Spec. Before a single line gets written, explain to the AI what to build, how to build it, what not to build, and every edge case to handle. The tighter your spec, the less the AI hallucinates. 2. Context. Create a file with your project's rules, like Claude.md or agents.md. What to use, what to avoid, your architecture. This is what prevents context collapse. 3. Read the diff, non-negotiable. This is the thing vibe coders ignored most. Read what the AI wrote, especially around authentication and data access. Remember those 170 apps? The access control was backwards. You could catch that in 10 seconds if you just looked. 4. Test. Every disaster I mentioned could have been stopped by one simple test. Can a logged-in user see their data? Can someone without access not see it? I know it's boring. It stays boring. Do it anyway. One more confusion to clear up. I never said memorize syntax or avoid AI. I said use AI with your brain still on. Be the driver, not the passenger. Here's the conclusion. A lot of you watching are engineering students or job hunters. You're all thinking the same thing. If AI is writing code, what's my value? Your value has actually gone up, but the location of that value has shifted. Old value, how fast you type, how much syntax you've memorized. AI does that now. That value is gone. New value, scope, design, and testing. And here's the opportunity nobody's telling you about. The gap between a 10-year senior and a fresher used to be all about how much code they'd written. That gap, it's collapsing. Again, this isn't for lazy people. This is for people who actually want to understand things. One change. That's all it takes. You're having AI write the code, but you understand every line. That makes you an AI manager, and a good manager does one thing: reviews their team's work. Vibe coding is dead, but there's enormous space right now for people who understand code before they ship it. This market is brand new. Keep your brain on and never stop reading the code. Peace.